In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule on Jobber. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what you're looking at, and how to use Jobber's built-in tools to find the best time slot for your work, without guessing or overbooking. First, open Jobber in your browser or the desktop app and sign in so you land on the dashboard. This is home base for your business. You'll see quick links, alerts, and an overview of what's on deck. Before you move on, take a second to make sure you're in the right company account and that the date shown is current. If you operate across time zones or multiple teams, keeping that context in mind now will help everything line up correctly on the calendar. Next, head to Schedule from the main navigation. This brings up your calendar view, which is where your day-to-day planning lives. You'll typically see visits, tasks, and team assignments laid out in a grid, often color-coded to make it easy to scan. At the top, there are controls that let you look at your day, week, or month, and you may also notice filters for teams, users, or work types. Even if you don't change anything, it helps to glance at what's already on the board, recurring jobs, travel-heavy routes, or tight turnarounds, so you have a mental picture of your team's capacity. If your company uses arrival windows or buffers, keep those in mind as you evaluate open space on the calendar. When you're ready to place something new, use Find a Time. This tool does the heavy lifting by scanning your schedule for openings that fit your criteria. You'll typically see options to review the client or job you're planning, the visit duration, the date range you're targeting, and which team members or assets are involved. The goal here is to let Jobber crunch availability against what you already have scheduled, so you can quickly spot realistic, conflict-free time slots. If your work involves travel between stops, Find a Time helps reduce overlaps and long gaps, which keeps your routes efficient and your arrival windows accurate. A few quick tips as you use it. Have the expected duration ready so the system can search precisely. Be mindful of seasonal spikes or days with known constraints, like equipment maintenance or team meetings. If you schedule multiple short visits in a row, consider how load and unload time affects the flow of the day. And once you see an opening that makes sense, double-check it aligns with any client preferences you've noted, like morning-only service. That's it. Open Jobber, go to Schedule, and use Find a Time to confidently place work where it fits best. With this workflow, you'll keep your calendar organized, your team on track, and your clients happy.